people who are praying to the Creator, we want it in natural. Man, woman, God created man, God created woman, get married, so then you are close to nature. Yet we very good to nature. You get the respect of nature. And you are not close to nature and you don't get the respect of nature, you will lose nature. And here I'll tell you about nature. And one discussion, one chap came out and said, hey, God is nature. Everything of nature. Oh, I said, nature is not God. Cannot be created. What is nature? How can nature? We have been praying to the Creator, realized that there's such a thing as the divine law of nature. Nature is defined as the divine law of nature. For example, the sun generates heat, accommodating us. So that is why we won't get burnt. We won't be burnt to death. Or we won't turn to ice cubes because the sun generates to accommodate us. See how lucky we are. And the earth rotates in a way that we can now walk happily. We go a bit faster, we'll be hopping like the kangaroos. The rotation of the earth. And then we walk along the sun. Why? Because there is the divine law of nature in God's creation. Everything is living. The sun is living, the earth is living, the elements are living. You pick up a spoon, you look at it, the science says, this is a living matter, this is a non-living matter. But to me, as a spiritualist, everything is living. Everything is living. Even a piece of rock. But that rock can change. The process of change of that rock itself is proof that it is living. And even the leaf drops from the tree. That also is living because the leaf will decay to the extent that it goes back to the earth and becomes humus soil. That's why it's living. Nothing is there. God has even this shirt of mine, but it's got atoms. Atoms of similar nature, and you can do it and you can sew it because it's a cloth. Very good. From the thread of plants comes cloth. They are still atoms of the same nature because of they are being created for you. And the elements are created for you. We have this building in our neighbor here. It's being built up. Steel bar. Then you have wood. Then you use water, concrete, mix it. And then you have, fire to put up the steel bars. And then you have sand, pebbles, mixed with the concrete. What we refer to this building. So the elements that's so for you, the Creator created all. That's why you are here today, to respect the Creator. In which manner, in what way you respect your Creator? to kneel down, face skyward and pray to the Creator.